Welcome, visionary business builders. You must be ready to rise and become who you were always meant to be. You have a dream that has been living on the inside of you that won't go away until you fulfill it. Welcome to the Keye Academy orientation video, where your dreams can inspire a vision that leads to a plan, making everything work together and come true. In today's world, even though there are lots of edtech savvy businesses on the market like EDX, Udemy, and Duolingo, only Keye Academy here that will help you plan for your life, your family, your community, and maybe even the whole world. This platform is perfect for teenagers seeking a straightforward education and earning potential, as well as for adults who have traveled a longer path to reach this point. It's not important how long it took to get here. You are now here and looking at your plans and will family see everything happen. So congratulations to you. Let us get into the video. So this technique is how you shortcut the GMAT and the MBA degree. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Lee Tommy, and I have studied business administration. I studied law, I studied ministry and biblical world studies, but I never completed them. But I have completed my degree in graphic art, designs, and printing, and started my first business at only 14 years old. I know that my completed degree has nothing to do with this type of venture, and I fought hard so that I could be here as a business administrator. Since I was a child, this has been my dream. Running a company has been what I always wanted to do, but life happened. So enough about me. Let's talk about the Keye Academy platform and what no one else is telling you. So what is the Keye Academy? Let's start with what Keye Academy is not. Keye Academy is not a multi-level MLM scam that require you to recruit friends to join our platform. But we are actually a consultant company called the Specialist of Enterprise that offers business resources and opportunities to anyone. Keye Academy is the platform that originated from the consultant service of the Specialist of Enterprise. As you become familiar with Keye, you will realize that it can help you prepare to build and grow in either a new business or one that you already started, regardless of whether you are a teenager with just a cell phone or an older adult. Let's talk about what is Keye Academy platform. Keye Academy is a platform that is in beta right now, but made for you to start learning and making money right away. Because the interface is clean, easy to use, and easy to navigate. Keye Academy also offers real-world, step-by-step, live and online courses that will help you turn your ideas into money. So what is Team Keye Academy? In our Team Keye Academy, we offer school for you and your teams for free. Get unlimited access 24/7. This system will be great for professionals like coaches, mentors, and expert educators. And the good thing is that it will do to help build those relationships. The program offers free, gold, and VIP membership. Here is how to go to the Keye Academy free visionary courses right from the platform. First, open your browser and go to www.keyeacademy.online. That's Keye Academy.online. Click to sign up and to create a free account. It takes less than a minute. Once you're in, you'll land right on the Keye Academy, even the home page or the welcome page. From there, look for the course section by clicking the tabs on the top or even the side. Here's where you will see Visionary Builder. You will need an account to get to the Visionary Building Courses page. So here's what happens when you click on a course. As you can see, free courses are not actually valued at free, but Keye is willing to pay upfront to offer you their courses in good faith, giving you what you need and what you want. So here is where you realize that there is no risk in your ability to help you and your team, and there is no obligation for you to recruit your team. You can use the platform for yourself anytime you like and keep it a secret, because Keye is not a multi-level marketing system that you will have to tell everyone in order for it to work. It just works, and it would be around for a long time, in my opinion. So let's talk about some of our full course trainings and live classrooms. Our live trainings would immediately have you marketing with the pros, completing some of our free marketing courses. These are the courses that will top it off. The courses will be good for affiliates, partnerships, and influencers that can help you make money right away. So next, we have our financial literacy courses. These are courses in sponsored financial education programming. These are good to make money while you teach others and helping others in your community. Also, all courses in the metaverse, called Metaverse Made Easy. It's a step-by-step in the next digital fortune with confidence. And also with the course, how to host on Airbnb like a pro, make some serious money from your extra space without even being owning property. This teaches you how to make income from real estate. And also our Toro, hosting car rentals like a pro, show you how to make money every day of the week. Additionally, we also have the Consults Academy that assists with your personal development and visual training to ensure that your thoughts align with your mission. And this service can help you work remotely as an entrepreneur who stays online without stress. The Consults Academy is free for all members. This program is more popular with our VIP members, and every month we have new VIP members who are added based on what's popular, what's profitable, and also what their needs are. But you don't have to be a VIP member to join. Their Consults Academy can be a valuability and a beneficial on every level in any aspired entrepreneur.
Now for today's sponsors by ESI Mania. Are you planning a family vacation or a solo backpacking trip? Alternatively, you might be building your business while working from a beach in Mexico. Wherever you go, you need one thing: reliable internet. But swapping SIM cards? Hunting for local stores? Are you willing to incur roaming fees that exceed the cost of your flight? Yeah, that's so 2022. Introducing ESI Mania, your smart, simple, and affordable solution for staying connected in over 190 countries. No physical SIM, no hassle, just instant, high-speed data delivered straight to your phone. Since 2023, ESI Mania has helped thousands of travelers, remote workers, and digital entrepreneurs stay online, without the stress. Here's how it works. 1. Choose your plan by country, region, or global coverage. 2. Download your eSIM in seconds, before you even leave home. 3. Activate when you land and enjoy fast, secure internet wherever you roam. Whether you're posting reels from Paris, closing deals from Dubai, or simply keeping your family connected on a 2-week road trip through Europe, ESI Mania is there to support you. And the best part? Plans start at just a few dollars, and you only pay for what you need. No contracts, no hidden fees, there are no plastic SIM cards to weigh down your wallet. You have complete freedom to explore, work, and share without any limitations. So next time you travel, ditch the old way. Go eSIM. Click the link in the description to begin your journey immediately and maintain a professional connection.
Our platforms and live courses are led by the best of our teachers who have been where you are now. Learning and earning and growing like a pro with a continuous learning curve. There is no completion rate. You are a lifetime member. There's no unsuccess. Unsuccess is just part of the success process. Working with the console and creating an updated plan that is effective and updated weekly, along with the utilization of great resources and tools, and also our YouTube channel that also prepare you for business, particularly in the areas of your potential through videos like our AI generated art and digital products series, and learning how to navigate in our online marketplaces. So Keye is more than just classes, though there is always courses for you to take. But the Keye way is about councils of the specialists of enterprises working with sponsorships, all working with your mentor and coaches, ensuring that the expert joins you in your group to create something that is special in your community. Here is where you start and become a person who will help others as they rise also. You are a team Keye. You'll be able to join special programs with us where you can learn while you work and meet successful people, partners, great mentors, and coaches, and learning how to coach programs like a pro, utilizing your ideas to establish a unique business model and contribute to a greater you. This will be good for VIP partners. So if you're ready to stop scrolling, the YouTube videos that are not making you $100 to $500 a day or a few bands a week, use the link in the description and explore our platform and get to work. Sign in, jump in, and make your dreams come true. We are Team Keye Academy, and this is the place where individuals with innovative ideas transfer themselves into visionary builders, and the builders who make the world a better place. Let's go. Start your first course for free today.